Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by getting the Bearcat on power and antenna. Do this now. Install the 4 AA cells or plug the 12V adapter, making sure polarity is correct, and attach the telescoping antenna securely. Once done, press the power button and set the display contrast if needed. You want the receiver awake and visible before programming anything, because you will confirm frequency readouts and mode labels while you work. Make sure batteries are fresh to avoid resets during setup. You now program the channels. Switch to VFO or manual frequency mode so you can type a frequency and verify modulation type. This is how you control what the unit listens to. Enter the target frequency with the keypad, confirm with ENT, then use M to save to a memory channel and choose a bank for organization. Once saved, learn to use lockout for unwanted channels and set squelch just high enough to remove static. This keeps scans focused and stable. You finish by running a complete scan over your saved memory banks to confirm audio and reception. Adjust volume and squelch for clear audio, then save any final changes and secure the antenna and power connections so nothing shifts. If you see missing channels or no audio, first check antenna seating and power voltage, then lower squelch and try manual tuning. If problems persist, perform a factory reset and reprogram only working frequencies. This usually clears stuff.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.